Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Minister of your staging. I just came here on Monday we uploaded. Tuesday we did not, which was yesterday. Today Wednesday, right? Yeah. Okay, today let's upload. Okay. Yesterday was CPI also, the CPI. I've been watching the market, seeing how the market is moving, but I've realized no man, it was not moving how I actually want it to move. And yesterday I did not trade, guys. Trust me, I did not trade yesterday. Don't lie. So yeah, man. Let's get strictly to it. Just like that. So guys, here I'm on the weekly time frame. I see that the market didn't come here, man. We wanted this thing to come here, but it keeps on reversing, right? And how it's reversing, it's gonna give people a lot of problems. But if you really understand the price action of the whole thing, you may not get those problems. You may just relax and kill the market. Because now on the daily time frame, you tend to understand this one. You tend to understand that here we have a zone. There's some kind of zone, man. I don't know if it's nice or it's just an ugly zone. But based on breaking this zone that we have here, it means now the market is changing the trend now. We're changing the trend to here now. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people now, they're looking for the market to sell until this place, based on the rules of the market, right? Because now you can see, man, it's changing the trend, it's doing all those things. So basically, we may take the market from here to this place. Okay? So yeah. No. Let's just go to 4 hours and see what is really happening. Feel the Lord, feel the Lord. You see this zone, guys, I'm talking about? This one, right? Let me see something here. Nah, I can't be ignorant. This thing's a zone, man. There's no way that we can be ignorant like that. Let's mark this one. Okay, let's put it here. Because what I see here is that this thing is a zone. That one. Yeah, it happened. Yeah. This thing is a zone as well, right? It's a zone. Let's see here. We have a zone here. We do. But now, let's focus on this one now. Let's see what is really happening. So guys, there are many places where you can take a sell. I'm going to show you guys something. Another place where you can take a sell is if the market breaks the zone, retest, and come back selling to that point. That's just another place where you can take a sell. And another thing that we have, guys, that motivates me about sales is that we have a 90% rule here. I've seen this 90% rule, I think it was since last week or something. I just want to see if it still makes sense now. How did I draw it that time? I don't know if I started here. I don't know if I started it here and connect it like that. I think it was like this. I think it was like this. So you see, this was an uptrend, right? The market was going up. Now we broke the trend, right? So here we are. The market is at that point, right? But you can also take sales before the breakout of this zone. I don't know if let us go to 1 hour. I'm gonna show you guys something. Let's delete this one a bit. Because here we have a zone, right? We have a zone here, guys. Which means you're going to be careful and watch out for this zone. This is a strong zone. This is not some game playing, right? This is a strong zone. That's a strong zone, guys. Okay. I just don't remember how this 90% rule was sitting, but it was something like this, But I think it makes sense, guys. It makes sense, because if you can check, it was keeping the market bullish. Now we broke, right? Remember, trend line is not for entries. Trend line is just for direction. You know what I mean? So now since we broke it, it means we have to just operate and look for themselves. Here there was a zone yesterday. It's not this one. I want to use this one. Yeah, here there was a zone, guys, yesterday, That's why people took buys. Those who took them, okay. No, we're gonna delete this one a bit. We're gonna delete that one a bit because already broke, right? So, guys, the market is on this zone, right? So now it's up to you guys to really be careful that there's a possibility that this thing, it may take off from where it is, start buying, break these zones, retest, break this zone, retest. That's why now I would be more comfortable about a buy. Then I know, okay, it'll just take off and buy, right? But the way it does that now, if you break this zone, this one, break that zone, I don't want to lie, you gotta sell. If you break that zone, you gotta sell, So guys, you gotta watch out, right? Break this zone, retest, break another one here. Let's sell. We're controlled by zone right now. Oh, Nasdaq already selling, right? I saw this. You see the first touch here, second touches, the breakout. I don't know if you guys can see. First touches, second touches, breakout, retest, and when the retest, it retested on a zone. Why not? Why not take your sales, right? Why not, bro? Just keep on looking for sales on Nasdaq, guys. As long as the structure is looking like this, né? Remember, guys, we don't force the market. One thing about me, I just wanna execute based on what the market is telling me, right? As long as the structure is looking like this, né, we're going short. They call it short, right? So, as long as the market is looking like this, I'm gonna show you guys something. We're gonna go short, man. Obviously, you may be targeting this other place, maybe here, but the structure is looking like this. We're under a zone. We broke a trend line. We just have to sell. Another confirmation that you can get for selling is if we break this point. Yeah, seems like it's a strong point, right? So it's a sensitive level. The market can react when it comes there. So at least if you can wait for it to break the retest, then you can just keep on looking for selling opportunities. Because we're under a zone, the structure's telling me that it's a sell. Those things, guys. Don't forget to pray, guys. Today, I don't know why I have this headache, man. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine, guys. Don't forget to pray, man. So, let's get it. I don't know if I can. If I should check. Let's check gold. Because Nasdaq already is so simple. Okay. Nasdaq already is so simple. Gold. But there's a zoom. What if gold is gonna sell when it comes here? What if gold is gonna sell when it retests here? Guys, what do you all think? Gold can sell after retesting there. There's a possibility of gold selling. After the retest there, it can sell. You know what I mean? It can sell because already, man, it's been selling from there, man. Taking off. So, yeah, guys, you just have to look for the one that is going to be perfect for you. More especially Nasdaq. Nasdaq is looking nice, I don't want to lie. USD Leona, after breaking those zones, then yeah, something can happen. Gold 9, it's under a zone. Probably may want to retest that zone, then sell again. There is a lot that is happening. Yeah, guys, see you on another video.